Presenting the JBL C50HI. These are in-ear headphones with mic. The wired headphone comes with 3 sizes of earplugs and an angled fit which makes the earphones more comfortable to be worn for longer hours. Experience deepened notes with true JBL level bass response, making everyday musical journey more appealing. The 3.5 mm L-shaped jack helps in easier connection with cases and in connecting with laptops. One-button universal remote with noise isolation microphone enables you to answer and manage your calls effortlessly and without any hindrance. It is available in black, blue and red color variants. Inside the box, you will find one JBL C50HI headphones, 3 sets of ear tips, small, medium, large, one warranty card and one safety card. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 7 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.